Imagine a spacecraft, launched decades ago, surviving the lonely darkness of space, far beyond the boundaries of our solar system, venturing into the mysterious unknown. NASA's Voyager 1 probe, the most distant human-made object in the universe, continues its silent journey, carrying with it secrets we might never fully understand. But recently, Voyager 1 sent back a message, one that stunned scientists and left the world questioning the very nature of our universe. Could this mysterious signal be a glimpse into the unknown depths of interstellar space? Or is it something far more extraordinary? In this video, we'll unravel the fascinating story of Voyager 1, from its humble beginnings to its groundbreaking discoveries, and explore the eerie message it sent back, a message that challenges our understanding of space and the cosmos. The year was 1977. NASA embarked on an ambitious mission to send two twin spacecraft, Voyager 1 and Voyager 2, on a historic journey to explore the outer planets of our solar system. It was a time of technological optimism, a period when humanity dared to dream big and reach for the stars. Voyager 1's mission was simple: fly by Jupiter and Saturn, capturing images and collecting data that would redefine our understanding of these gas giants. Thanks to a rare planetary alignment that occurs only once every 176 years, the spacecraft could use a gravity assist to slingshot from one planet to the next, a cosmic pinball game that allowed it to conserve fuel while gaining speed. On September 5, 1977, Voyager 1 was launched, setting off on a journey that would make history. Within 2 years, it had reached Jupiter, sending back breathtaking images of the planet's swirling storms and its enigmatic moons, including volcanic Io and ice-covered Europa. By 1980, it reached Saturn, where it revealed the intricate beauty of the planet's rings and the hazy atmosphere of its largest moon, Titan. These encounters transformed our understanding of the solar system, showing us worlds that were more dynamic and complex than we had ever imagined. But Voyager 1's journey didn't end there. After completing its primary mission, Voyager 1 ventured beyond the outer planets, heading toward the edge of our solar system. It crossed into the massive bubble of space dominated by the Sun's magnetic field and solar wind. At the boundary of this bubble lies the point where the Sun's influence gives way to the vastness of interstellar space. In August 2012, Voyager 1 became the first human-made object to cross this boundary, entering the uncharted territory of interstellar space. It was a historic moment, a milestone that marked humanity's first step beyond the confines of our solar system. But what lies beyond the heliopause? The answers, it seems, are far more complex than we anticipated. In 2022, Voyager 1, now over 14 billion miles from Earth, sent back a signal that left scientists baffled. This was no ordinary transmission. The signal was distorted, irregular, unlike anything the spacecraft had sent before. It was as if Voyager 1 was trying to communicate something it couldn't fully articulate. The source of the anomaly? The part of the spacecraft responsible for maintaining its orientation and ensuring its antenna points toward Earth. Despite the garbled signal, the rest of the spacecraft appeared to be functioning normally. At first, scientists suspected a glitch. After all, Voyager 1 is over 4 decades old, and its systems were never designed to last this long. Its power source, a nuclear battery, has been slowly depleting, and cosmic radiation has been bombarding its electronics for years. But as engineers delved deeper, it became clear that this wasn't just a random malfunction. What could have caused the strange signal? Scientists have proposed several theories, each more intriguing than the last. Voyager 1 has spent over a decade in interstellar space, where cosmic rays and high-energy particles are more intense than within the heliosphere. This radiation could have disrupted the spacecraft's systems in unpredictable ways. Interstellar space isn't empty. It's filled with cosmic dust, magnetic fields, and energetic particles. Voyager 1 might have encountered a region with unusual properties, a dense cluster of particles, a strong magnetic field, or even an entirely new type of phenomenon. While most scientists attribute the signal to a technical glitch, some can't help but wonder, could Voyager 1 have stumbled upon something extraordinary? A region of space that defies our understanding? Or perhaps even a signal from an advanced civilization? These possibilities ignite the imagination, reminding us of how little we truly know about the universe. Maintaining contact with Voyager 1 is no easy task. the spacecraft's weak signal takes over 21 hours to reach Earth, traveling at the speed of light. NASA relies on a network of massive radio antennas to catch these faint whispers from the depths of space. But as Voyager 1 drifts farther away, its power supply dwindles. NASA has already shut down non-essential systems to conserve energy, and by the mid-2020s, even its primary instruments will go dark. When that happens, Voyager 1 will fall silent, a lonely relic of humanity's quest for knowledge. Voyager 1 carries with it a unique artifact, a time capsule of Earth designed to communicate the story of our planet to any extraterrestrial life that might find it. The record contains sounds, music, and images representing the diversity of life and culture on Earth, a snapshot of humanity in 1977. As Voyager 1 drifts through interstellar space, the golden record serves as a reminder of our shared humanity and our desire to connect with the cosmos. Voyager 1's journey is a testament to human curiosity and ingenuity. It has traveled farther than any other human-made object, sending back data that has reshaped our understanding of the universe. Its strange signal, whether a glitch or something more, is a reminder of the mysteries that await us in the vastness of space. Even as Voyager 1 approaches the end of its mission, its legacy endures. It has paved the way for future explorers, inspiring us to continue reaching for the stars. As we look to the future, the lessons of Voyager 1 will guide us. New missions, like the proposed interstellar probes, will build on its discoveries, pushing the boundaries of what we know and exploring the questions Voyager could only hint at. What lies beyond our solar system? What secrets does the universe hold? Voyager 1's journey reminds us that the quest for knowledge is never-ending. The signal from Voyager 1 is more than just data, it's a symbol of human curiosity and the enduring spirit of exploration. Whether it's a technical anomaly or a glimpse into something far greater, it challenges us to keep asking questions, to keep looking to the stars, and to never stop wondering. As Voyager 1 continues its silent journey, let us honor its legacy by embracing the unknown and pursuing the answers that await us in the vast, uncharted